going on, guys, is where's John?
Oh my gosh.
See, we're at the Home Depot. About to go pick up my tools, order some Milwaukee goodies. So let's take a look. See you guys when I get it. Just want to pick up the damn tools. Look at that cruise. Check that out. You got the 3/8 batteries. The 1/2 inch bad boy.
Yeah, boy.
Man, I got a steal of a deal. I got all this for $391. Insane deal. Check your Home Depots. So we're gonna be doing an unboxing of the 3/8 and the 1/2 inch Milwaukee Plus big boy batteries. Size of my head. Unbox the 1/2 inch. Boom. The tool right out. Man, it's not gonna stay clean for too long, man. This is a game changer right here. Let's unbox this 3/8 one. The seal and reveal. Oh snap. Look at that. Damn. This is like the baby version. Oh, well, this is a little wiggly. It's supposed to be like that. Chat, is that normal? Taking off this one. Man, already kind of started, but yo, they like welded this together, bro. Damn! Boom! Super impressed. This is the 3/8. Look at that. Well, it has one charge. This is number 1, 2, 3. You guys hear that? Bro. And lights. Very, very impressed. Super happy with the purchase.
Boom, this one. The 1/2 inch.
Need 1, 2. And just like that, we made it into the dealership where I work at. This is the toolbox that they gave us. These are the tools that obviously you got to bring your own. For Mercedes, you got to use your T sockets. So mostly use your T30s. These are all like your main like quick things to use, right? You got your ratchet, you know what I mean? Just have your 8, 10, and 11, deep and shallow. You know, your Allens, your Torx, and then your E-Torx. That's just like for the quick access and easy. And got the Milwaukee with the 8 and the 10 flip socket, so that's pretty nice. And down you have the hammer, dead roll, just a permanent marker, and my 3/8 Milwaukee cordless ratchet that I bought at the beginning of automotive career. Now your quick stuff. This is just a grab and go cart. Obviously you have your clean rags and your dirty ones, which just have one, but this is the box. So as we get into the box, we go to the top drawer. I know it's looking pretty empty, but we do have a couple of stuff. We got your 12 points, you got 6 points impact, shallow impact. You got your chrome sockets, 3/8. These are 1/2 inch. All these are 1/2 inch. 3/8. Then this is 1/4 inch, deep and shallow. Then we have some 1/2 inch, 3/8. And this is spark plug socket. Then continue, we got your triple squares all right there. These I use to do subframes, so that's pretty nice. And then this one is to do transmission bolts. It's a Snap-on 8 swivel head. Most of my stuff is just Pittsburgh as of right now, and I do need to upgrade some stuff. You know, I either get gear wrench, Blue Point, obviously Snap-on. Yeah, Snap-on right there. And then we do have your breaker bars. Check that out, Blue Point. Just your extensions. This is so 16 and 14. This is your craftsman stuff, your adapters. Mostly Pittsburgh. So that's my top drawer. So right here, this is where I write all my repair orders. For this one, it's just my wrenches. So I got my ratcheting wrenches, almost metric. Like I said, they're all mostly metric on top, metric as well. This is take out Mercedes center caps. Continue down to the bottom. This is where I have my Quinn 3/8 drive digital torque wrench. Beat that. Just recently bought that not too long ago. This is your Honda Drain Bolt torque wrench. That is an OEM Honda part. Making our way down, we have some pliers, just a whole bunch of pliers everywhere, whole bunch of picks because you know you lose them. They're about $1 Harbor Freight. So we got some wire cutters, a caliper hanger, some plastic trim, zip ties, and Parker hammer. We move to this side. This is where I have my radiator coolant picks. Then we have your little bit drivers. I like this set because it mostly comes with everything that you need for Benzes. And then obviously you have your center punch, your automatic center punch, drill bits, your scissors, and your chisel set. So that's pretty nice. So we're making our way down to the other drawer, called kind of like the junk drawer and all that. You know, your miscellaneous bolts, your cookies, thread locker, some extension bits and like little stuff like that. You know, your rubber gaskets. You know, sometimes you get some extra clips, die grinder, oil filter. You know, your scuff pad, your Scotch-Brite. You know, to do Mercedes resealing, you slide that right there. I'll show you guys a new gun. Made me some money, so definitely made this money back, guaranteed. Making our way on. Obviously some upholstery trims that my girlfriend bought me for Christmas, so shout out to my girlfriend, that's pretty cool. The turkey baster, just in case, you know, overfill some stuff. This is a 1/4 inch torque wrench. Extra like batteries that I have in there. So if I need any, I got mine right there. And then you guys seen this in the beginning of the video. I have my 3/8 and 1/2 inch with the batteries. Big Milwaukee person, really like their brand, definitely gonna buy more. I didn't use this one as much because I have this one. Yeah, for the most part, that was all of my tools. Definitely will be doing some more car related content as I have a car in my bay. If you guys have any questions for like any Benzes or stuff of that nature, just put in the comments and send me a DM on Where's John on Instagram, and I'll be responding it to you how the dealership life is like, what's it like to work for Mercedes and stuff like that. Also keep an eye out for my Instagram, post reels over there, so if you guys want to see behind the scenes of Where's John, definitely try that out. You guys take care. It's Where's John. Peace.